Ready? Ready na, wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, ready? Ready, go! Wait lang, don't worry, sa wala nakadaog, naatay game 2, no? Please do not break your blankets, kinaatay, second game. I need that sack race. For our second game, this is what we call sack race. Okay, once again, congratulations sa atong mga nakadaog mo for game 1. So for our game 2, answer, please get ready na wait na. Answer ang mga tuang wala naka-dula sa game 1.
Dali na dayon, forward!
Teachers or katong mga assistant, pwede ko mamalihol assist at least ang atong mga kids for our second game. Sack race, once again for our second game, this is what we call sack race. Ayaw lang katuan kuan ma'am, katong grupo ganun na maurayapon, tapos katuan pa